Hey guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to cash in Gcash account. So if you're ready, then let's begin. On your phone, just open your Gcash app, okay? And as you can see guys, you are now in the home page. And after that, you have to look the cash in icon. So as you can see, there is no cash in icon there. So all you have to do is click this view all. Alright? So next step is you have to scroll down your phone and look for the cash in icon. Okay? So the cash in icon is located here in the address. So just tap cash in. And once you're going to cash in, you have your choices whether you're going to pay it over the counter or through online banks or global partners and remittances. Alright? In over-the-counter, guys, you have also here a lot of options whether you are going to pay it through cash in machines, convenience stores, pawn shops, payment facilities, supermarkets, department stores, drug stores, logistics, gas stations, retail stores, or sari-sari stores. Okay? And of course, don't worry guys, because let's say for example, when you're going to pay it through cash in machine, so let's say for example, you have also choices. Okay, over here, there is e-tap, pay and go, touch pay. Okay, let's say for example, we are going to pay it through in pay and go. Alright, so after that, after clicking, so you have to follow these steps. Don't worry guys, because when you're going to select an options, there are really steps to follow. Okay, so next is the online banks. So in online banks, guys, you have also these partners banks. Okay, we have the BPI Union Banks, AUB, Bank of China, Bank of Commerce, BDO, China Bank, East Bank, and the rest of the banks, the rest of the partner banks. Okay, just of course, just choose your preferred banks. Okay, and also over here at the global partners and remittances, you can also choose whether you're going to pay it through PayPal, Payoneer, MoneyGram, Western Union, okay, Alipay. Okay, just scroll on your phone and of course select the partner remittance, okay, that you prefer. Don't worry guys, because after choosing, you have to follow these steps and you can now cash into your Gcash account. Okay, so there we go. This is on how to cash in Gcash account. So if you want to know on how to cash in Gcash account, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to cash in Gcash account, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!